let's see how to create registration and login page using our code generator. First of all, open code generator. Okay, now we should enter first name, last name, email, password. Okay, so this field is text field. Okay, but this is password. Okay, now click on register button. This will generate register.php code. Select this code, copy it. Okay, now go to plugins folder. Create a new plugin, new register plugin. Create a new text file, register.php. Paste this code in that. Okay, now register.php is done. First of all, we should create index file. So remove. Okay, this is plugin name, my register plugin. Okay, we should generate index file. So this is index.php. Okay, copy this code. Actually this one is not needed. Okay, create index.php and paste this one. Okay, after that you should include this code here. Now our file name is register.php. This one, this file should be included inside index. Okay, include index.php. Fine. Now we need to display our registration form in one WordPress page. Okay, needed. We can directly create a new page in our WordPress, new register page. So we can use this shortcode here. This is my new register shortcode. This shortcode should be same in register page also. My new register form. Okay, this is the register shortcode, my new register form. We should keep the same thing here, my new register form. Publish this page. Okay, now we will open this page in guest mode, that is incognito mode. Okay, this is not activated, so we should activate the plugin. Go to plugins and then you should find your plugin, my register plugin. Activate this. Okay, now you can see registration form. Okay, so I will create some random first name, last name and some random password. Click on register. Okay, now user is created and also user is login, so he can access his profile and dashboard and all the features. and we can check the user in our backend also. Okay, here this is what I have created now. User email, it has taken as username, and first name last name combined to in name, and email also it has taken the same. Okay, now registration page is done. So now we can create login page also. For login we should simply use email and password. Okay, this is password. Okay, click on login. Now it will generate login.php code. Okay, so copy this code and go to your plugin folder, create a new file login.php, paste this code and copy this shortcode, my new login form. Okay, now create another page to display the login form. Okay, new login, whatever name you can keep. So this is my shortcode, my new login form. Okay, first of all we should log out this user and then open it. Now we should open this page in incognito mode. Okay, so this is not active. Okay. We should include login.php also. Both files should be included in index file. Okay, now this will work. Okay, now I will use this user which is previously created. Done. Login is also working. Okay, now we'll add these two pages into menu. New login, new register. Okay, done. So save this menu. Now you can see how the login pages look like. Okay, this is login page. So you are already logged in. You can log out. Click on that to log out. Okay, this is registration page. This is login page. Okay, now I am logging with admin password. So this is admin actually. If you go to registration page, you are already logged in. Login page also you are already logged in. Log out. Then you can again create new users. Like this we can create login and registration pages with all the fields that are present in our code generator. Text, password, select, number, phone number, etc. Okay, thank you.